Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. So in a previous class you have learned some basic concepts from understanding elementary shapes. The today class you will learn another one important concept here, that is types of angles. So let's we go with the concept. So we are dividing the angles as according to the measures. The acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. First one is acute angle. What is this acute angle? An angle that measures less than 90 degree, that is between 0 and 90. This is called as an acute angle. So this is example for acute angle with the degree 60 degree here. This is example for acute angle. So next one is angle ABC is an acute angle here. Next one is the right angle. What is the right angle? An angle that measures exactly 90 degree is called right angle. So this is example for right angle here. This is exactly 90 degree. Angle PQR, that is 90 degree here. So angle PQR is a right angle. The next one is obtuse angle. An angle that measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. So this is example for obtuse angle. An angle 140 degree here. Angle LMN. Here the angle LMN is an obtuse angle. So straight angle. An angle that measures exactly 180 degree is called as an straight angle. The example for straight angle, this is the example for straight angle 180 degree. So an angle DEF is exactly 180 degree. This is called as a straight angle. The next one is reflex angle. What is this reflex angle? The angle that measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Example here, angle 240 degree. This angle 240 degree, it is an reflex angle here. Angle XYZ is a reflex angle. This all are example for the different kinds of the angles. Acute, the right and straight angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. This is a right angle exactly 90 degree. Next one is acute angle 60 degree. The next one is the straight angle, that is 180 degree. The next one is reflex angle, that is more than 180 less than 360 degree. And the next one is obtuse angle, the more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. These are all the examples for the different kinds of the angles. So you can go with another one angle here, that is complete angle. What is this complete angle? An angle whose measures is exactly 360 degree. That is one revolution or one complete rotation is called as a complete angle. So another one angle here, that is adjacent angles. Adjacent angle is an angle with a common vertex and one common side are called as adjacent angles. So you can go with the example here. This is an example for adjacent angle. This angle have a common vertex and one common side. So vertical angles, the angles that have a common vertex whose sides are formed by the same lines called as vertical angles. So these angles have a one common vertex between the angles. The next one is complementary angles. The two angles whose sum is 90 degree, that is called as a complementary angles. So these two are complementary angles. Just you find the sum for these two, 65 degree plus 25 degree, that is exactly 90 degree. Those two angles are called as a complementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. The two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called as supplementary angles. That is 120 degree and 60 degree here. Those are supplementary angles. So these are all the example for the angles here. Observe these angles. The next one is when two parallel lines are crossed by the third line transversally. So here you will get the 8 angles it will form. So those are all the 8 angles is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8, 7. So these are all called as the transversal angles. And an angle 3, 4, 5, 8 are interior angles, and the angles 1, 2, 6, 7 are called as the exterior angles.